Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we are learning use reducer hook with the help of objects. We are passing actions as an object and initial state as an object. Although you guys see that what we have done here is we had duplicated a lot of code. Like, what we are achieving here is we are achieving an increment, decrement, counter. Like we need actually two counters with the same functionality. So what we are doing here is we are duplicating a lot of code. Increment 2, decrement 2, we had added two extra case in it, and that are not like up to mark. And this is what I have done in the last tutorial is to let you guys understand how we can deal with objects in useReducer here. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can use multiple useReducer in case you have to implement the similar functionality. Let's go ahead and try to create another counter called counter3.js. For saving time, I'll go ahead and copy the code from counter1 that we had learned in our first useReducer tutorial. That's the simple counter. I'll just change the component name to counter3 and I'll simply export it. Let me hit save. I'll comment out the counter2 from app.js and I'll import counter3 in app.js. Let's go to the browser as you see that our single counter is working very fine. In case we have any kind of requirement to have another counter with similar functionality, in case of that, instead of duplicating the code, avoiding the complexity, we are able to duplicate useReducer hook. What we can do here is we can call this hook another time with the same reducer and same initial state, but this time our dispatch method will be different and our counter will be different. What I'll do here is I'll copy the code for counter 2. I'll say counter 2, and this time my state variable is counter 2 and my dispatch method is dispatch 2. So this is very simple and very easy. Instead of duplicating and writing a complex code, you can use your useReducer hook multiple times in a React component by passing the same reducer in initial states where you have similar functionalities. Let's go ahead to our browser. You guys can see my counter is working very perfectly. Okay, counter 2, it's working very perfectly. So I hope you guys understand. That's it for use reducer multiple time. This is our third example. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.